Alright everyone, so today I'm going to charge my car, and here is the ChargeFox station. I just went to the ChargeFox app, I find the location, I can see even the availability, and I see both ports are available. And now what I need to do is basically go over here. How can I charge my JAECOO? I just need to click on the port, open the port. Because this is a fast charging station, I just need to unplug both. The moment I unplug both, I can just go over here. I don't need to do anything yet. I just need to pick the cable, connect the cable in my car, and now in the charge function, it will show an option to start, and now I just need to click start. And now it will start my session and automatically charge my car. Because I already put the direction to the station, I can see the station over here. But if you just find out the station, you can just, at the top over here, there will be the number of the station. So you can also put the number of the station on your app. And once you plug, you're gonna see the green light over here. And if we go into the panel, you're going to see that the car starts charging. So now the car's charging, is telling me the time remaining, the power as well. Once you reach around 80%, the power is reduced by a lot. It will take easily more about 20 other minutes. So showing you the dashboard, we have the charge limit. If you don't want to charge your car 100%, you can just click here and then it will show up this. You can just slide through. Once you slide, you can click in OK. It will automatically put the charging limit for the car in that. And whenever you're going to a charge station, it will just charge your car until that, and it will consider the car as complete. You have the V2L, which is vehicle to discharge. So for example, BYD vehicles, they give you a charging gun that's adapted for V2L. So it's a charging gun that has a lead extension with like 3 or 4 plugs, so you can charge your appliances. So in this case I put disable because I don't have that. You have your charge gun locked, so that's the toggle setting. So if, for example, sometimes it locks in there, you can just use this to lock and lock. So if for some reason your cable is jammed, another place that you can use to remove the gun is here. You see there is a little cable. If you see, there will be this cable over here. If you pull it, it will automatically unlock the charging port for you, if the charging port for some reason is locked or jammed. So just use this one as a safety feature, because as I say before, I've never actually run into this issue.